Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel rksoftacademy. So this channel is for the database developer and who want to be a database programmer or database developer or Oracle developer, and also who are already working as a Oracle developer or database developer especially with Oracle. So I created this channel for them. So you will get various topics on Oracle, different technologies like Oracle SQL, Oracle PL/SQL programming, and also Unix shell scripting. Okay, so there are many videos. You just watch all the videos, starting from very basic level to the very advanced level. Topics on SQL, that is structured query language, and also PL/SQL, that is PL/SQL programming language of Oracle. Okay, so you just can watch all the videos, and you will definitely will know some deep concept on the topic. And also I try to explain each topic in very easy way, with easy explanation and with hands-on practical examples. Okay, so that be with so you can just watch all the videos, and if you just like the video, or if you get some knowledge, or it get some if you get some benefit of it, you just give a like and subscribe my channel, so that when I upload the next video, you will just get informed and you will get the notification. Okay, so today in this session, I decided to bring a new session. I actually decided that many of database developer, when they appear for interview, they face many questions like interview questions. Okay, so I will discuss a very important question in today's session. The important question is asked by very many recruiters or interviewers, and this question is almost common. You must have faced this question in your interview. Either you are a fresher interviewer, fresher candidate, or you are a experienced candidate. Even if you are a 2 or 3 years experience, and even if you are a 10 plus years or 15 plus years of experience also, you will face this question in your interview. So this is very important question. So I actually decided to explain this question with the proper answer. Okay, so if you just follow my answer, you will must reply the interviewer with the proper explanation and with the proper answer of the question. Okay, so the question is difference between procedure and functions. This is very important question in database side, or especially Oracle database side. So when interviewer asks you what is the difference between procedure and functions, so most of the candidate they just say some very easy differences, like procedure cannot return value, and function must return a value, or procedure may or may not return value, or they just talk after that, and they cannot say later what he or she will say about the next point, right? So actually for that reason, I choose this question, and I will clarify each and every differences, and which are very important differences I think for these two objects, these are database objects. So these two objects are procedure and functions. Okay, so let's see what may be the first important difference. Okay, so first important difference is almost of course the one which I already said, and which are almost all candidates replied with the first point. The point is procedure may or may not return a value, but functions must return one value. Okay, so I'm just writing this is the first difference, that is for sure. Okay, so just writing procedure may or may not return a value, whereas functions must return a value. Okay, so this is very important difference, and this has to be told on your answer at the very beginning or first point. Okay, and the next point you have to say that I will explain first of all what is procedure and what is function. So procedure basically what it does is, procedure basically is a PS database object which is a combination of logically grouped set of SQL and PL/SQL statements. Okay, so both procedure and functions both are the database objects which basically logically grouped a set of SQL and PL/SQL statements that performs a specific task. Okay, but procedure or use of procedure, the purpose of using procedure is different, and the purpose of using functions are different. Okay, so in which purpose we use procedure? Procedure we use where there is a certain or particular task has to be performed. Okay, or there a particular business logic has to be executed. Okay, so in a application there must have a business logic to be implemented, right? So in that case a procedure have to be written, and a procedure must be written to execute some business logic for that particular application. Okay, but the functions basically perform the calculations task. Okay, so actually functions is executed to compute some values or compute some means functions are basically used for computational purpose, and it may basically returns its value as an expression. Okay, so in the next point I can write like a procedure performs a used to perform a particular task or business logic. Okay, whereas a function is used to compute values. Okay, and in the function we not execute any business logic, okay, and it is not capable of doing that, okay. So this is the very common differences. Now I will discuss about some very important differences with these two common differences, okay. The third point is which most of the candidate missed to say the difference as a difference between procedure and functions is that procedure do not have a return type, okay. So procedure, this is very important difference. Procedure do not have a return type, okay, but functions has a must have a return type in the declaration, okay. So this is very important differences, you have to remember this, okay. Number 4 is very important difference is functions can be called inside the procedure, okay. Functions can be called inside procedure, but procedure cannot be called inside functions, okay. So number 3 and 4 are very important difference, and number 5 important difference is procedure can have 3 types of parameters, okay. That parameters are in, out, and third one is in out, but the functions has only one parameter, that is the in parameter. So this is very important difference, keep remember of it. Function procedures not mandatory, but it can have three type of parameters. What are the parameters? In, out, and in out, okay. But the function can have only one parameter, okay. That is in, okay. Other parameters we cannot use, or it is not allowed to use in the functions, right. So now the number 6 very important point is we can call a procedure, we we cannot call a procedure in the SQL statement, that is very important, but we can call functions in a SQL statement, okay. So we can call or execute, I can say, function in That means functions can be embedded in a SQL statement. Okay, we can call a function in the SQL statement, but we cannot call procedure in SQL statement. Okay, this is very important difference. And number 7 difference is that is the transactional operations. Okay, so since the procedure do some execute some task or some business logics of the applications, so transactional statements and all the DML operations we can perform inside procedure. Okay, so procedure, so that are called DML operations. Okay, so DML operations can be performed inside procedure, but they cannot be performed inside functions. Okay, so these are very important differences from 3 to 7. So if you say all these differences to the interviewer, so you must get the full marks for this question, or he must be satisfied with your answer. Okay, so these are the differences mainly, and which are very important differences between procedures and functions. And as I told also, the what is the procedure, what is the function, the interviewer may ask also what is the procedure, what is the function. I already explained that, and what are their differences, what is the difference between procedure and functions. So these things are have to be very much clear if you are a database programmer, or if you are going to or sit for an interview for database programmer or Oracle programmer or SQL developer or PLSQL developer. Okay, so today till these differences I am just explained today. So that's all for today, and I will come with another session for a new topic, with a new topic. And keep watching my videos and like my videos if you just get some important information from my video, and you get some knowledge from my video, you just like and just give a comment. And I want your comment on this video, if it is satisfied you by getting this answer for this question, and just comment below if you get the proper answer of that. And if you can have another, if you can add more differences, if you find, and that is very much important. Okay, just comment below section. Okay, so just give a like for this video if you just get new information, or you just get a clear information from this tutorial. and also just subscribe my channel so that I'll come with new videos for you, and will be get you will get new knowledge, and it will be beneficial for you. Okay, so thanks for watching my video, and bye.